Hi, I'm Alex.
And I'm Maya.
Welcome
to...
A pizza party! A pizza party! I'm so hungry. I could eat this entire thing all by myself.
Not so fast, Alex. We have to share the pizza. That's the best part of a party, sharing with everyone.
Sharing? Okay. But how do we make sure we each get the same amount? I want it to be fair.
Exactly. And for that, we need a special kind of math magic. It's called fractions. Right now, our pizza is one whole pizza. It's complete with nothing taken away yet.
One whole pizza. Got it. Now let's slice it.
Okay, when we slice it to share, we are cutting it into equal parts.
Whoa. Now there are 1, 2, 3, 4 parts.
That's right. And that number 4 is super important. In a fraction, the number on the bottom tells you how many total parts make up the whole thing. It's called the denominator.
Denominator. That's a big word. So the denominator is the number down at the bottom?
Exactly. Now here is one slice for you. You have 1 part out of the 4 total parts. That number 1 is our top number. It's called the numerator. The numerator tells us how many parts we are talking about right now.
So the numerator is how many I have, and the denominator is how many there are altogether.
You got it. You have 1/4 of the pizza. Okay, let's practice. Look at this yummy cake. It's already cut into 6 equal slices. What would the denominator be? Remember, that's the total number of...
I know. There are 6 slices in total, so the denominator, the number down below, is 6.
Perfect. Now, what if you get 2 of those slices? What would the top number, the numerator, be? Think about it.
Since I have 2 slices, the numerator is 2. So the fraction is 2/6.
Last one. Let's say I cut this apple into 2 equal parts to share with you. I have 1 part, and you have the other. What fraction of the apple do I have?
Well, there are 2 parts in total, so the denominator is 2, and you have 1 of them, so the numerator is 1. You have 1/2.
Fantastic, Alex. You're a fractions expert.
Fractions aren't just for pizza and cake. We use them in the real world all the time. When we bake, we use measuring cups. These lines show us fractions of a cup to make sure our recipes are delicious.
Hey, a clock! Do we use fractions for time?
We do. When the big hand points to the 6, we say it's 1/2 the hour. That's because the hand has traveled 1/2 of the way around the clock. And now for a super interesting fact. Did you know that the idea of fractions is thousands of years old? The ancient Egyptians used them more than 4,000 years ago to measure land and build their amazing pyramids.
Whoa, 4,000 years? That's ancient math magic.
It's time for a quick quiz. Are you ready?
Question 1. Look at this chocolate bar. It has 8 squares in total. What fraction of the chocolate bar is colored in?
There are 3 colored squares out of 8 total. The fraction is 3/8.
Question 2. This glass is filled up to the line in the middle. What fraction of the glass has water in it?
It's filled up exactly halfway. That's the fraction 1/2.
You got them both right. And here's something you can try at home. Find some small snacks, like crackers or grapes. Count out 10 of them to make one whole group. Now, move 3 of them to the side. You just showed the fraction 3/10 of your snack pile.
Let's end with a rhyme. Ready, Maya?
To know how many parts in all, look at the number down below, nice and tall. To see the parts you have for you, the number on top gives you the clue.
Fractions are fantastically fun. Thanks for sharing with me.
You're welcome. Keep looking for fractions all around you. We'll see you on our next adventure. Bye.